Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can view referral code in GCash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First step, open your GCash application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, log into your account, and when you log into your account, look the profile icon, usually located on the bottom right corner on the app interface. After that, tap on Open the Referral Friend, and then scroll through many options and find the Referral Friend or similar option on top. Access Regular section. Find your referral code and the Referral section. You should see your unique referral code and displayed prominently, and usually combinations of letters and numbers. And you can easily copy this code and share with friends. And this is a promotion referral code to the one you have located. The referral code you share with friends through the recent channel, and you can promote it. So that's basically how you can view referral code in GCash. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.